GACTrumpchi's new energy pioneer concept car EMKOO. According to official information, EMKOO is the representative of GAC Trumpchi's groundbreaking models. It adopts a new platform and carries the XEV+ICV technology route, representing the development direction of GAC Trumpchi's hybrid and intelligent products. EMKOO has a low front and a high rear body posture, and the full curved body surface makes the feeling of momentum and leap more vivid and more touching. In addition, the transition grille, sci-fi tail fin, lightsaber taillights and other elements are words that evoke future, which can be perfectly placed in EMKOO's description. It is Trumpchi's new generation high-tech product. Its appearance is not just an SUV, but more like an ecosystem. So, taste it carefully. It will challenge the imagination of the industry's SUV models, and also take responsibility for changing the current one. The overall design language of the EMKOO concept car is still relatively general, and even the shape of the wheels has not been accurately defined, only a rough sketch of the wheel cover position has been drawn. However, when it comes to the design language of most new energy vehicles currently produced, most of the design in the concept car will still be retained. It represents the development direction of GAC Trumpchi's hybrid and smart products, and is an important model that helps GAC Trumpchi promote its hybrid plus smart strategy. Previously, GAC Group General Manager Feng Xingya announced the carbon neutrality target of the Green Net Plan, hoping to achieve carbon neutrality throughout the product life cycle by 2050.